Daniel from Woodworking with Dash here again. It's been a while, guys. It's been a while since I've posted on the channel. I think almost a year, I think. So, but I'm back. But I'm back with a difference. I'm not going to be making boxes anymore like I used to. I used to make box after box after box. It's got a bit repetitive. The boxes are good, but I want to make other things too. I'm the sort of guy that gets up in the morning and I just got to make. I'm what do you call a maker. I can't just not make something in a day. It's in me to make every day, just about. I make all different things. I make the art that you see behind me here. I was doing that for a while. That was fun too. I gave some art away and it was good stuff. I've had an art show down the local library earlier in the year, and that was fun too. So I like making different things. Another thing you might notice that my camera's changed. I used to record with these things, with these big SOR cameras, these big cameras. But they're very bulky and they're very hard to manoeuvre around. So now I record with these little GoPros. And mate, these are great. I bought 4 of these. These are the Action Frees, DJI Action Frees, and they work good. They work really good. I needed them for one of my other YouTube channels. I've started a couple other YouTube channels. I started a channel using my old box videos. Put them to music so there's no talking in them, and go out in any language. So you don't need to speak English to understand them. So that opened up a whole new world of viewers. I heard a quote the other day that is exactly what I do. It was, most people are in the pursuit of happiness. I'm in the happiness of the pursuit. So what that means is that I don't care if things work or don't work. I just love getting up in the morning and trying things, trying new things, making things and doing things, and I get an idea in my head, I run out of the shed and I make it. That's what I love doing. So this channel now is going to be a bit raw. I'm not going to edit everything down to the nth degree and try to show you exactly how I'm going to make everything. It's just going to be me making things. If you want to have a look at my other channel, it's called Woodworking and Music. I'm going well. I've got subscribers. Yay! Very hard to get a YouTube channel going now with millions of channels out there. If you ever look on your feed, all your suggested channels, they normally got, like 100,000 views, 200,000 views, Did you ever click on a channel with only 12 views? So that's what I'm talking about. You can make the best video in the world, but no one will click on it. Oh shit, because everybody's time is precious. They're not going to bother clicking on a channel that only got 12 views. So it's hard, but as I said, it's the happiness of the pursuit. That's what I like doing. Talking about that, my other channel, that it's going not bad now. What is it? It's a channel about what is it? It's a bit of a wacky channel, but I'm a bit of a wacky person. So the channel where I race. The channel where I race toy cars. The channel where I race toy cars with football emblems on them, American football emblems on them, to predict the winner of American football matches. And then I've got a marble machine roll. I'm going to go show you in a minute. I've built a marble machine roll that predicts the score. So I've got the cars that predict the winner and the marble machine that predicts the scores. Just a bit of fun. Faceless channel, I use an artificial voice in it and music. So it's just a bit of fun. And it's going not bad. And I enjoy doing it. But as I said, it's the happiness of the pursuit. So I just make something and I start it up. And after a while, if I get sick of it, I'll go on to something else. Anyway, I'm back. Seinfeld said, this is a show about nothing. This is just a show about me making things during the week. Good, bad, ugly. If you watch, good. If you don't watch, what can I say? So, this is it. I'll go out and show you the marble machine now. I'll go out and I'll show you the treadmill machine and the marble machine. Let's go outside. I'll show you the marble machine and the treadmill machine. Okay, this is the marble machine. Pretty radical thing, isn't it? I'll show you how it works in a minute. You score by when the marbles fall into the holes down there. The marbles fall into the touchdown holes or the incomplete pass holes. So that's how you score. So let's roll some marbles. Okay, here we go. Falls into the barrel there. Down to the S's. And into the holes. Fun, wasn't it? Look at that guy. Incomplete pass. Okay, and this is the treadmill machine. When I use the treadmill, I got either 3 or 4 cameras. I got a camera mount there, there, and one up the top here. And there the car's set up to go. I'll start it now and I'll show you how it works. Okay. Oh yeah. I've also got an air blower where I blow the cars. I'll put some of the video up of the finished product of the show. The show is called Treadmill Playoffs. Have a look. You might like it.
And on first down, play action. Over the top they go! And he's got Brown! Pharaoh Brown stretches out, and it's a touchdown, New England.
New York Jets versus New England Patriots, two of the powerhouses of the NFL.
Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over.
It only goes about 3 minutes, but it's fun. I'll show you all the cars I got there. These are all the cars I got. The NFL has 32 teams, so I needed 32 sets of cars. So that's basically almost 100 cars, and they're $5 each. So it cost me $500. But that's fine. I don't care. Good fun. But the cars are so well made. They're die-cast cars. Probably with doors that open. It's just a good thing. And they're really fun to play with. I'm just a kid at heart, as you know. I'm playing with all my toys, and as you've seen, I make this little show about predicting football games. And it's a lot of fun. And it's fairly easy to make. I've got it down pat now about how I record everything, and the editing's still a bit hard, but I'm getting there. The editing takes a lot more time than the racing, but it's all fun. So, as I said, this channel now is going to be about me making something during the week. It might not be woodwork, it might be the cars. I got on Thursday, you see behind me, I've still got all my boxes here. And I've got them down in the library, down in Banyule. And I'm going to go change them over on Thursday. They've got a display cabinet down there. I got my boxes in there. I sell a few from down there, which is good. helps me fund the cars. And I'm going to go change them over with the football season, because I made a lot of football boxes a long time ago. Okay, these are some of the boxes I made, football boxes I made. That's the Geelong one. And that's the interior. It's just a bit of fun. It was hard work doing the paint, but I got it done. And that's the Hawthorn one. I've done a lot of the teams, but not all of them. And I've sold a lot, so I've only got about 10, 15 left, I think. So I'll put them in the display cabinet on a Thursday, and we'll take it from there. This channel is going to be about me doing things during the week. I might not post every week, I might post every week, I might post every 3 or 4 days, I don't know. You know something, I don't care. It's not about this channel getting views, it's not even about this channel getting subscribers. It's about me doing something, which I like. And I like doing the YouTube videos, and I like making things. So that's what I'm going to do, guys. So come along with me if you like. If not, well, that's how it is.